Hey everybody, Travis from the Knife Joker, coming at you tonight with just a quick view of this Reate Knives Mini Horizon-D. This version is a PVD coated milling handle, the PVD coated M390 blade. These are the new Mini Horizons, blade length 3.44 inches, and you can see what it looks like in hand there. It did give you a nice little rounded and flat spot there for your thumb to hold at. Nice swedge there on the back, although it's not sharp. There is still an edge there, and it's nicely rounded on the edge, so there's no sharp edges. Get that gold hardware, all titanium screws and pivot. There's that titanium clip and back spacer. You do get a steel lock bar interface on the lock bar here, which provides as a over travel stop as well. This does ride on a ball bearing system, making it flip great and just super smooth. You can see the centering. Check the centering on this knife. Just absolutely dead on there. There's that hand ground M390 blade. These are milled out inside. See if I get a shot of the black, inside of the black here. There's 4 cutouts on this side, making it pretty light. If you do get a Reate knife, you do get a couple things with it. You get some extra hardware in case you need to work on the knife. You get a plush carrying case. In addition, you get a little knife bag and a knife cleaning cloth. Just a little overview of the PVD Mini Horizon-D. If you need more information, you could check them out at thenifejoker.com. Thanks for joining me.